Secretary, Honorable CGs, distinguished directors, ladies and gentlemen. So I have something to share. Let me start with this. Can everyone see what I'm holding in my hand? It's a tennis shoe, but it's pretty, isn't it? You know, I actually just got these shoes last week, and I thought I'll bring it here to share it with everyone. Why is that important, right? If I told you that these shoes were printed with 3D printer, would you believe it? Okay, I probably wouldn't as well. But the truth is that the majority of this shoe was printed using 3D printer. Amazing. So what I'm about to share with you today is something far more unimaginable than this shoe that I have in my hand. So please stay tuned. Once again, my name is Joseph Faluyi, and I'm the president of 3D Builders Nigeria Limited. Our company specializes in 3D printing construction. And what does that mean? It means that we build concrete structures using 3D printers. And we're able to do this largely through the exclusive partnership that we have with the largest 3D printing technology company located here in China. This company has been around for over 13 years, and they've done some amazing things. So what I'm about to share with you is a short video that will show you some of the amazing structures around the world and things that this 3D printer or 3D printing technology has done.
3D printing has made its way into all sorts of walks of life, but nowhere in the world has it taken off quite like China. 3D printing is used by around a third of companies here for prototyping and has the potential to completely disrupt manufacturing. But I'm about to visit a company that's 3D printing something much, much bigger. This is something I've never seen before, and it's definitely putting this region on the 3D printing map. That's a 3D printed house. The man behind this extraordinary idea is Ma Yihe.
我去一个工地上去看到现场的工人顶着烈日，然后又非常的危险，这个在那个地方造房子。哎，我们想为什么不能像造汽车和造飞机一样来造房子呢？我们花了3天的时间打完了这个房子。这个房子呢，就是我们1天1层，3天打完，1个星期安装完的这个房子。这个房子我不告诉你是打印的，你是看不出来的，和我们传统的房子外观是一模一样的。
The houses here are printed in much the same way as any 3D printer, just on a much, much bigger scale. You can see from the layers here that it prints everything up layer by layer, except this one is much bigger and it's printing out cement as its material. The key to it is a huge 7-meter tall printer that piles up layer after layer of a special mix of cement and recycled construction waste. The design is plotted on a computer and the head simply prints out the pieces to be assembled on site. The special pattern makes it super strong.
这是我们为迪拜打的第一个房子，做测试的一个房子。但是这个强度呢，我们做测试的时候，这个房子是压了28吨，1天半。才有一点裂纹，但是还没有弹。那比我们传统的方法，这个300厚的混凝土，浪费了那么多的混凝土的房子，强度整整高了3倍。
The technique is so strong, it's been used to construct a 5-story building. And like I've seen so often in China, the technology is also being used to retain a bit of China's past. The 3D printing is so versatile, it can even recreate houses that have traditionally taken master craftsmen up to a year to build.
那么这种工匠呢，现在越来越少，建造的成本也越来越大。那1个星期就可以把这个房子打好了。
That's beautiful.
谢谢。希望你来中国买我们这样的房子住啊。
The houses can be built 30 times quicker than manual methods, and that means costs can be reduced by 70%. And because the cement used to print the houses uses recycled materials, it's much more environmentally friendly in a country publicly committed to improving its environmental record. Ma nearly went bust pursuing this project. It was his faith that kept this idea alive, and it's another great example of Yangtze Delta entrepreneurs pursuing their dreams.
So when you really think about this, the capability and the ability of a technology like this is something that really surpasses anything else that we have. So as a company, what we have been doing in Nigeria is essentially enabling our developers and contractors to be able to use this technology to be able to produce more for less. Because remember, one of the key values of this technology is cost effectiveness. So I really think when we look back and think about the national deficit in housing in Nigeria, certainly this technology can help. We're already working with some key developers in Nigeria today on some collaborative initiatives, and we're also welcoming other developers and contractors or investors, for that matter, who are interested in partnering on this mission with us. That's pretty much all I have to share. So thank you very much.